Okay.
Let's go over there and help her out.
Go ahead.
Am I interviewing? Asking questions?
Yes. Ask some questions.
Monique.
Like I'm a total stranger. It's kind of like a what is it? Barbara Walters. Wah wah wah.
Barbara,
Yes, darling. Tell
Can
me.
you tell us a little bit about what's significant about today?
What's significant about today? Today is my birthday. It's not really my birthday.
Shh.
It's a pretend birthday.
Every month, every day this month is your birthday.
Every day this month is my birthday. You know what? Every day this year is my
I
birthday.
think that sounds like a plan.
Uh-oh.
What are the highest highs of this year, this past year?
What are the highest highs of this past year?
She has so many things. She has to think
I
really
know.
hard.
Yeah, seriously,
It's a big year.
it's a cascading year. It's a year of like I've been in a shower of meteorites, and all the stars are everywhere, and it's just been really amazing.
Okay, if you could pick some highlights of that amazing star filled year.
That's very good. I like it.
Okay, just one.
Just one. Uno más.
Or two.
Or dos. Dos. It was a big year, so.
I think really I think it was the Teo trip. That really, I don't know, that really made everything kind of come together for me and put it in its proper perspective. And the walls that came down in that time frame. So, yeah, it was really, I'll never forget it. I just put it that way. It'll be one of those places in my heart that I'll always carry with me.
And so, now that you turned 50.
She turned 50.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! She's
50
not.
years young.
50 years
Oh.
young. What would the 50-year-old Monique, what does the 50-year-old Monique say to the 25-year-old Monique?
Oh, baby, I'm so happy to be 50. It's been a great journey. It's been full of mystery and uncovering the mystery.
The magical mystery tour.
It has been the magical mystery tour. Yeah. Is there a very big difference when life lives you versus you living your life? That for me has been really profound. And all these amazing choices, right, Angela?
We love the choices.
Oh my God! Yeah. Okay, can we stop this interview now? Thank you.
Let me ask Toey.
So Monique,